So here we have the Peugeot 208 on an 18 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot space first of all. As we approach the back of the car you can see we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in, and as I mentioned, we'll run through some of the controls from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge. We then have the rev counter, speedometer and fuel gauge on the right-hand side. In the centre, you can see the total miles there, 51,973. There's a digital readout for the speedometer there as well. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have our stereo and phone controls. We have cruise control and speed limiter, and then the main touchscreen in the center here, where you can access your audio. So you can see we have the radio, USB input and iPod input. We can also pair up our phone for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as you can see. You can also project certain Peugeot-friendly sat-nav systems up onto the screen, and of course with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, the choice is plentiful when it comes to that. We've also got a full colour reversing camera. Below that, the air conditioning, so you can determine the direction the air is being distributed in, the fan speed and the temperature. That's your air conditioning now on. Same button will turn it off again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set just here, and you can turn that off whenever you wish to. We've got a heated rear screen, deadlock so you can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside, hazard warning lights, USB auxiliary input and a 12-volt charging socket, 2 cup holders and the gear lever for the manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.